video. Hope you're having an awesome day today. Hey Chief, say hi. Say hi, yeah. Chief and I are just hanging out this morning. Today's my day off work, so I got a couple chores I kind of want to get done, and come along. Now Chief's got some fresh water to drink, and I guess the deer have some fresh water to drink too if they decide to come up here. Hi.
Hi.
Grabbed a different camera and we're ready to go. You want to come, Chief? You want to come? Let's go. Chief, load up. So Chief and I are going to drop off some stuff. We had an awesome harvest party. We made a bunch of apple cider and had a lot of fun. So I just have a few things that are left in the truck that need to go leave with the apple presses where they're stored. So I put an ARB bumper on my truck, and it's a good amount of weight, and we have a lot of bumpy roads out here, and just driving into town, you know, that's a pretty long stretch of bumpy roads, and it's been, I don't know, maybe a year or so that I've had the bumper on, and I haven't really checked the bolts because there's kind of a little bit of a vibration noise that I can hear when we drive now. So today one of my goals is to try to figure out that problem, maybe just go through and check all the bolts, make sure they're all tight. And if you saw our earlier video and heard that Taylor and I are going to Haiti this month, we're going in about a week, and we're super excited about that. It'll be a fun trip, and I'm excited to share that experience with you guys. So we've been starting to get some things ready and packing some things, taking some extra stuff that we could leave down there with the orphanage. And yeah, should be a good time and a good Thanksgiving. I don't know if I've ever spent a Thanksgiving outside the country. I've definitely spent a Thanksgiving away from my family before, which isn't always ideal, but yeah, I haven't been outside the country for Thanksgiving, so this will be pretty fun. I gotta drop some stuff off here. And we're off. It doesn't seem like we have a fall season here at the ranch, or a spring, really. I mean, we do have those seasons, but it just seems like it goes from being super hot, where you're in a t-shirt, to where like you need to wear a coat. And I really enjoy that in-between temperature where you just wear a flannel shirt. And today's a warmer day than it has been lately. We got some snow earlier this week, and yeah, it's been nice today. It's nice today, just having it a little bit warmer, a little foggy today, but overall a great day. Hope you guys are having a great day today. I want to show you guys something pretty cool. Let's get come here, Chief. Chief, come on. We're gonna go for a little hike. Come on, Chief. Chief, come on. Man, that's amazing. Okay, so this is what I wanted to show you guys. Look at this rock formation. Isn't that cool? It's like a natural archway. What do you think, Chief? Come here, Chief. Isn't that cool? Look at that. Big archway. Here, let me get back farther so you can see the whole thing. Okay, Chief, let's go. Come on. It's a lot easier on the way down than it is on the way up. Hi. And we're off again. Check on the bolt on this front bumper here just to make sure everything's tightened up, and hopefully that'll solve the rattling problem I've been hearing. All these bolts are on there really tight. I don't think it's the bolts that have come loose. There was a rattling noise that was the fender that was hitting the bumper, and I put some rubber in between right there, and that actually made it a lot more quiet. Well, I checked all the bolts and they seem to be tight, so I feel good about that. And I'm not sure what that little vibration noise is, but I don't know, it's not too big of a deal. Been thinking about doing a couple different things with this truck. Putting a leveling kit on it. The front is weighed down even more. A leveling kit just to level the truck out. Taylor and I are looking at getting a rooftop tent. So we'll get a rack that goes over the cab and then a tent that goes on top of that, so we can go camping and stuff and use that tent to sleep in. Another thing I've been thinking about is getting some LED lights, bar on the front, LED lights on the side, another one in the back. Use those at night, especially out here in the country when you're driving down the dirt road and there's nobody around. There's a lot of wildlife, and so flipping on the LED bar can be really helpful to spot, the deer and elk and stuff that are on the side of the road, so that you're not running into them. Those are just a couple things I've been thinking about doing to this truck, which would be kind of fun. And a little update on the tires that I put on here. Cooper STT Pro, they've been awesome so far. They don't really make that much sound. The grip on the gravel and on the pavement is awesome. Biggest negative are miles per gallon. Gone down. There you go. So thanks for coming along with me for a little part of my day today. Hats off to you guys.